Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and isolating the area you will recolor. Duplicate the background layer so you keep a backup, then create a layer mask and paint to hide unwanted areas. Use quick selection for speed or the pen tool when edges must be precise, and refine the selection with select and mask so transitions stay natural. Once done, make sure the masked area is clean. This prevents color spill and preserves original detail under blending modes. Now you change the color itself using non-destructive layers. Add a hue/saturation adjustment layer and clip it to your mask so only the selected area changes. Shift hue and tweak saturation to find the target tone. If you need stronger control, add a solid color or gradient map and set the layer to color or overlay, then reduce opacity. Once done, use curves or levels above the color layer to restore contrast, because color shifts often darken or finish by refining edges and matching the recolored area to the scene. You should paint on the layer mask with a soft brush to blend edges. Lower opacity brushes help create subtle transitions. Use selective color or curves to tweak color casts so surfaces, like skin or fabric, read naturally. If things go wrong, such as banding or unnatural tones, check your document color profile, toggle layers to isolate the issue, and if necessary, recreate the mask. This ensures the final color integrates seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.